All right, to get the headlamps off of the Expedition, you want to go ahead and take these 10 millimeter bolts out. Take them out on both sides, of course. There's my 10 millimeter with a little extension to give me just a little bit more leverage. Headlight pops right out. You kind of need to pull it towards you. You might need to grab it from the bottom. And then you're going to see these screws. Go ahead, take those 5 screws off. And if it helps, unclip some of these clips, some of these electronic clips that'll give you just a little bit more leverage. I took the brown one off. The brown one gave me just enough room to get the headlamp out of the car. And so after you do that, you should pretty much be good. You're going to be looking right at the back of the headlamps. So there they are right there. You can get right to them. Very simple. So all you have to do really is unscrew. I'm going to point to the screw. I'm going to show you that there's a metal clip that holds it in. If you just take the screw off just a little bit, just a few screws, the metal clip will practically just spring out. And then you can go ahead and pull that light out. They're H7 bulbs. So get the H7 bulbs and then just put everything back how you found it. As you see, I put that little springy clip back in there, screwed it back down. You only got to take one side a little bit off and just slide it out. It'll pop right out. Put everything back and you're done.